What's going on, guys? This is G here, and we are at the 45-mile spot again. State Police. We got the birds here. Everybody came home. Everybody's here. We're gonna release these guys. We've been here for a little while now. Everybody's relaxed. Everybody's good to go. Just gonna open this up. All right. There you go. Help yourself, people. They're off. They know what they're doing. Alright, guys, see you guys at home. Here we go, guys. Here they are. Come on! Yeah, there's some birds missing. But my babies are home. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Took them a while. Took them a little bit longer than I wanted to. All my reds are home. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 inside the black. My splash. That one. Big boy over there. Come on, babies. Look at them. They're tired. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What you guys hit? Huh? What did you guys hit? Yeah. Drink that nice cold water, baby. Go ahead. Drink it up. For sure, Broken Beak is not gonna be here. That's for sure. Good job, guys. I'm very, very happy with the outcome. They took a while. They did take a while. There's my big boy over there with the white flight. Yep. What's wrong, huh? You guys exhausted. Yeah, you guys exhausted. I know. These birds are nice condition because it's getting hot out there. You guys are done for today. Don't worry about it. We're not gonna go tomorrow. Tomorrow, I am not gonna take them training at all. You know, even though I got the day off, these birds are not gonna go nowhere. Me as their coach, gotta understand that rest is very important. Rest is number one. So today they're gonna eat all they want, all they can eat, and they're gonna relax. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna get, bursts throughout the day because not all of them are here. So. And then Saturday, I'll probably take them back again. Another 45-mile toss. And then Sunday, I'll probably take them to my final destination. And then that's it for them. Come on. See, here's one. Just came. Just came now. Come on. Come on. Everybody's inside. Here's one. Look at this red. This red is beautiful. Look at that. Looks like she never went. Looks like she never went training. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know there's more Broken Beak. Let me see if Broken Beak is in here. I doubt it, The bird's a good bird. Keeps coming back, but If he didn't have that broken beak, that would be a different story for that bird. No, he's not here. I'm missing a few birds. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So they'll come throughout the day. That's for sure. They will come throughout the day. Come on, baby. Come inside. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there goes Doc Chucker wife Splash. He didn't go to the races, so he's ready to fly. Yeah. He would have never made it. The bird has heart though, you know. He got lost 5 days and he came back home on his 5th day lost. Looks like a hen. So she's just recovering. She's recovering. She'll probably go next week to the 45 mile, you know, catch her up with them again. I picked her up this morning. She's still a little light, you know, little. So I didn't want to break her down again. So I decided not to take her. Like I said, guys, this is my team and we are the coach. As a coach, we have to provide our players with the best knowledge, the best instruments that we can. And then when it comes time to play the game, we'll tell if us as coaches, we succeeded, you know. We have to know when to give the birds rest. We have to know when to start the birds up. We have to know who's not doing well. We have to know who needs more vitamins, or who needs this, or who needs that, or what the team needs, or, you know, us as a coach, we have to provide our team. These are the birds that, you know, when it comes draft day, pick day is when you put the chip on the birds. You know, they made it. They got picked. And if you don't get picked, then you know where you guys go. So I gotta feed them up, and that's it. I'm gonna get those birds out and start them, put them in front of the house and let them go. Well, guys, I'll see you guys next Saturday, because these guys ain't going nowhere tomorrow. They're gonna rest for 8 days, starting today. Well, not 8 days, 5 today, and you know, all the way up till Saturday. Saturday morning they'll be basketed, weather permitting. So they're gonna rest for a long time. They got a long time to rest. Thank you, guys. Bye bye now.